Hello, you beautiful soul, you. I'm your guide, Nicole Rose, here to serve you and reconnecting with the pure, positive energy within you, with all the health and well-being that surrounds you in this world. Now sit in a comfortable position or lie down. Whatever signals to your mind that it is time to let go. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. I've been sick and I've been healed. And I want you to know that the negative thoughts that you've been experiencing are not you. They do not define you. They are merely a symptom of what your physical body is experiencing. But know that your physical body isn't all of you. Your soul can speed up the healing of your physical body if you allow it to. And that's what we're going to work on together here today with the energy that creates worlds to support you. You're already experiencing the freedom from this process. Continue to trust this meditation. Continue to surrender to this experience. Continue to go deeper, deeper, and deeper into your meditative alpha state. And know this: whatever you do, however deep you get, you will always experience the benefits. Wherever you are in life is a part of your journey. And whatever is happening right now in this moment with your health is a part of your journey. It may be difficult, but it is a lesson that you are meant to experience. And before your soul chose your human body, your soul was aware of the experience and of the timeline of how your life would unfold. And your soul knew that it was perfect, that it was beautiful, that it would be the most powerful learning and expansion experience for your soul. And it chose your body. And you hold the power to heal your body with your mind. Never forget that. Since there is one consciousness within us all, there is God and Source and whatever you believe in within us all. And that right there is healing magic. And you, my dear, you are pure magic. Have faith in your journey. Have faith that it's all connected. Understand and trust that it's all working out for your benefit. And now, I want you to release your ego. Visualize your ego going somewhere without you, doing your favorite activity, taking a walk, going on a run, heading to yoga. See your ego walking out of your home and on the journey to a new activity that will be all-encompassing for it. Release your judgment and settle in even deeper into our meditation. I want you to breathe in for 5 counts and breathe out for 5 counts. And breathe in for 5 counts. And breathe out. Continue this very calm, replenishing breath cycle throughout your meditation healing journey. Breathe from your deepest part of your belly and expand it fully with your breath. And when you breathe out, suck it all the way in to your backbone. If any thoughts come up for you during this meditation, just listen to my voice and focus on your breath. Have compassion for yourself. That is normal. So now, from your more hopeful state, we are going to set an intention for your practice today. We intend to increase your healing, and we intend for you to bask in the feeling of well-being. Now call in your support, invite Source, God, the universe, your spirit guides, your ancestor guides, whomever you feel energetically supported by, in to join you in helping supercharge your healing. Now I want you to repeat a few statements after me, in your mind or out loud if you feel comfortable. An abundance of health and well-being is my birthright. An abundance of health and well-being is my birthright. I will heal. I am already healing. I feel incredible in my beautiful, vivacious human body. Now commit these affirmations into your subconscious. Well, they will work in the background to continue your healing long after your meditation. Visualize your highest self, floating out of your body and back into the energetic field where you came from when you chose this human experience. See your soul soaring up and floating into the ceiling, into the air, into the sky, into the stars, into the energetic field where you have access to instant healing, where quantum jumps can happen instantly. Leave your body, your space, and all of your constraints about time behind. We are moving into a new reality where you can supercharge your healing just using the thoughts in your mind. Keep soaring and soaring so high in the sky through your energetic field, through beautiful stars and across Milky Ways until you see the most divine place it's calling you, and you feel compelled to sit on the side of the star or in a crater and perch yourself somewhere that you feel safe, where you feel happy, bright, alive, positive, and lit up from the inside, where you feel oh so relaxed and healthy and agile and energetic. You feel so honored to be alive. You remember what it was like to choose to come into this human experience, to come into your incredible physical human body on this beautiful planet in this leading edge time. And you have so much gratitude for your experience. You know you are so lucky, and you feel that luck deep within your soul. And now you close your eyes and you see another door, all lit up by light shining around the edges, and you just know that this door has what you need behind it. You just know that this door is a passageway to help you morph back into the healthiest, most physically fit, vivacious version of yourself. You look down and you see on your chest that you actually hold the key. You hold the key to this beautiful door that's the path to your healing. And as you grab the key with your hands and you walk towards the door and you put the key in the door, the moment that you turn that lock, starting from your hands, you feel your health being restored. You feel your cells lighting up and tingling all over your body. You feel that light that you saw from behind the door shining on you. You feel your health being revived at the cellular level. You continue to build this feeling of well-being inside of you until your whole body is radiating with joy positivity, and love. Your whole body feels lit up from the inside out, all tingly and warm. You allow these tingles to expand and move to the corners of your body, down your legs, through your calves and into your toes, from your spine, out through your shoulders, into your arms, and all the way to your fingertips, expanding over you like a wave of well-being. You are feeling amazing. Hold on to this feeling of health, happiness, deep understanding, and gratitude radiating through your veins as long as you can. Now, beautiful soul, it's time to lock in the healing. It's time to begin to wind down your meditation. It's time to close out with gratitude and come back down into your human body, feeling all the new health that you have just restored. Feeling so grateful, so full of appreciation for your deep meditation practice, so full of appreciation for your healing journey. Appreciate the strength of your beautiful, divine human body. Appreciate the learnings and the space that you have to slow down. Feel this gratitude deeply inside of you, in the depths of your soul. Know that there is a plan for your life, a plan for your experience that will far exceed your wildest dreams. Relax into the spirit of co-creation with Source, with God, with your guides, and into the feeling of being held. Remember, everything we experience is a gift. And these human bodies are incredible vehicles for us to feel the fullness of life. Never forget what a privilege it is to be alive here on earth right now. Welcome back, you magnificent being you. I love you. And I am so glad you're feeling better.